So is it open or locked?
It's locked.
It's locked too? And the key's not inside?
No, I don't think so. I hope it is.
If it is, then I have to give you a discount. What year? 11, right? 2011? Camry? Hold on. I live like 5 minutes from here. What's that? Well, I was on the freeway when you called me. I was heading back from another job, but then you guys called, so I was like 2 minutes from my house, and then I was like, sure, I'll be there quick, you know? Yeah? Let me see. I'm gonna pick it open and then I guess pull the lock out, because there is a code on it. Want to check?
Yes, they do. It's too fast. Let me see. I don't think it is, though. You never know.
I think I just clicked the clicker. I don't know why I'm holding it. You don't see it? Check the trunk. This is a split year, this car. Yeah. 2011 Camry is a split year. Checked like that. You checked all the carts, I guess, like, or you had your carts still, whenever. Yeah. Shit, I come here all the time with my kids, so I'm gonna be looking. Oh, it was for you, or were you doing like Instacart or something?